Having trouble receiving money on Cash App? Here's how to fix it. Fast. Open the Cash App and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Limits. You'll now see how much money your account can receive per month. If you've hit your receive limit, you won't be able to accept more money until it's reset. But even if you're under the limit, there's one critical step you need to take. Verify your identity. At the top of the Limits page, tap Verify and follow the instructions. Verifying boosts your limits and fixes common payment issues. Once that's done, back out and go into Settings. Scroll to Linked Banks and double-check you have an active debit card linked. If it's expired or missing, Cash App can't send you money. Still not working? Scroll all the way down and tap Support. Go to Payments, Receiving Payments, Can't receive a payment. Then scroll to the bottom and tap Chat. Send a message like, "Hi, I can't receive payments on my account. Please help." A support rep will get back to you and help resolve any account issues. That's it. Quick and easy fix, done right.